The Belgian Malinois is a beautiful and intelligent breed. Known for their sharp minds and keen senses, these dogs are often seen as one of the most versatile breeds in the world. Their striking appearance with a sleek, muscular build and alert expression makes them stand out in any setting. They're known for their work ethic and loyalty. These dogs form strong bonds with their owners and are always eager to please. Whether it's playing fetch in the park, running alongside their owner, or simply spending time with the family, the Belgian Malinois is always ready for action. Originally bred as herding dogs, they excel in many roles today. Their herding instincts make them natural leaders and protectors. In addition to herding, they are often trained for various tasks that require intelligence and agility. Their ability to learn quickly and perform complex tasks makes them invaluable in many fields. These roles include police work, search and rescue, and as family companions. Malinois are very active. In police work, they are often used for detection and apprehension, thanks to their keen sense of smell and agility. In search and rescue, their determination and stamina make them perfect for finding missing persons. As family companions, they are loving and protective, always looking out for their loved ones. They need lots of physical and mental stimulation. Without enough exercise and mental challenges, they can become bored and potentially destructive. Activities like agility courses, puzzle toys, and long walks are essential to keep them happy and healthy. Their high energy levels mean they thrive in active households where they can participate in various activities. This breed is not for everyone. They require a dedicated owner who can provide the time, training, and exercise they need. Consistent training and socialization from a young age are crucial to ensure they grow into well-behaved adults. Grooming is relatively easy, but their energetic nature means they need regular attention and care. But for the right owner, they make an amazing companion. Their loyalty and intelligence create a deep bond with their human family. They are affectionate and enjoy spending time with their owners, whether it's cuddling on the couch or going on adventures. For those who can meet their needs, the Belgian Malinois is a truly rewarding and loving companion. Belgian Malinois are high-energy dogs. These agile and intelligent canines are known for their boundless energy and enthusiasm. Whether they are running, playing, or jumping, they are always on the move. This breed thrives on physical activity and mental stimulation, making them excellent companions for active individuals or families. They require a high-quality diet to support their active lifestyle. Proper nutrition is crucial to maintain their energy levels and overall health. A well-balanced diet ensures that they have the stamina to keep up with their daily activities and helps in their growth and development. Choose a food formulated for large breed dogs. These formulations are specifically designed to meet the nutritional needs of larger breeds, providing the right balance of proteins, fats, and carbohydrates. This helps in supporting their muscle development and maintaining a healthy weight. Look for a good source of protein. Protein is essential for muscle growth and repair, especially for a breed as active as the Belgian Malinois. High-quality protein sources such as meat, fish, and eggs should be a significant part of their diet to ensure they have the strength and energy they need. Puppies need more frequent meals than adults. Their growing bodies require a steady supply of nutrients throughout the day. Feeding them smaller, more frequent meals helps in better digestion and nutrient absorption, which is vital for their development. Feed your puppy 3 to 4 times per day. This schedule ensures that they get the necessary nutrients at regular intervals, supporting their rapid growth and high energy levels. Consistent feeding times also help in establishing a routine, which is beneficial for their overall well-being. Adult dogs can eat twice daily. As they mature, their nutritional needs change, and they can transition to fewer meals. Feeding them twice a day helps in maintaining their energy levels and keeps their metabolism steady. The amount of food depends on their age, activity level, and metabolism. Always provide fresh water. Hydration is just as important as nutrition. Ensure that your Belgian Malinois has access to clean, fresh water at all times to keep them hydrated and healthy. This is essential for their overall health. A well-fed and well-hydrated Belgian Malinois will have a shiny coat, bright eyes, and a playful demeanor. Proper nutrition and hydration are the foundations of their health, ensuring they live a long, happy, and active life. Exercise is crucial for a Malinois' physical and mental well-being. They need at least 1 hour of vigorous exercise daily. This can include running, hiking, or playing fetch. A tired Malinois is a well-behaved Malinois. Lack of exercise can lead to destructive behavior. Provide plenty of mental stimulation too. Puzzle toys and interactive games can challenge their minds. Belgian Malinois are highly intelligent and eager to please. They excel in obedience training. Start training early. Use positive reinforcement techniques. Consistency is key. Be patient and reward good behavior. Socialization is also important. Expose them to different people, dogs, and environments. Section 5. Socialization and mental stimulation, preventing boredom. Early socialization is crucial for a well-adjusted Malinois. Expose them to various sights, sounds, and experiences. This helps them develop into confident dogs. Mental stimulation is just as important as physical exercise. Puzzle toys, interactive games, and training sessions keep their minds sharp. A bored Malinois can become destructive. Section 6. The right family for a Malinois, an active and committed home. Belgian Malinois are not for everyone. These dogs are known for their high energy levels and intelligence, which means they require a family that can match their enthusiasm and dedication. They thrive with active families who can provide ample exercise and mental stimulation. Daily walks, runs, and play sessions are essential to keep a Malinois happy and healthy. Without sufficient physical activity, they can become bored and potentially develop behavioral issues. Experience with dog training is a plus. Belgian Malinois are highly trainable, but they need consistent and firm guidance. Training sessions should be engaging and varied to keep their sharp minds occupied. Agility training, obedience classes, and even advanced tricks can be great ways to bond with your Malinois while providing the mental stimulation they crave. They need a lot of attention and interaction. These dogs form strong bonds with their families and thrive on companionship. Regular interaction, whether through play, training, or simply spending time together, is crucial for their well-being. They are not suitable for families who are away from home for long periods. Loneliness and lack of stimulation can lead to anxiety and destructive behaviors. If your lifestyle involves long hours away from home, a Malinois might not be the best fit for you. A Malinois is a commitment. Owning one means dedicating time, energy, and resources to ensure they live a fulfilling life. This includes regular vet checkups, a balanced diet, and plenty of socialization opportunities. Be sure you are ready for this before bringing one home. Consider your lifestyle, your ability to provide the necessary care, and your long-term commitment. A Belgian Malinois can be a wonderful addition to the right family, offering loyalty, protection, and endless affection. But it's essential to be fully prepared for the responsibilities that come with owning such an active and intelligent breed. Section 7. Grooming your Malinois, a short and easy task. Belgian Malinois have a short double coat. They are relatively low-maintenance groomers. Brush their coat weekly to remove loose hair. Bathe them as needed. Regularly check their ears for dirt and debris. Trim their nails to prevent overgrowth. Section 8. Common health concerns. Keeping your Malinois healthy. Like all breeds, Belgian Malinois are prone to certain health issues. These include hip and elbow dysplasia, bloat, and eye problems. Regular veterinary checkups are essential. Vaccinations and parasite prevention are also important. A healthy diet and exercise routine can help prevent some health problems. Section 9. The joys of a Malinois, an unbreakable bond. Despite the challenges, raising a Belgian Malinois is incredibly rewarding. They are loyal, loving, and protective of their families. Their intelligence and eagerness to please make them a joy to train. They excel in various activities, from agility to obedience. They form deep bonds with their owners. Section 10. Finding a responsible breeder. If you're considering a Belgian Malinois, find a responsible breeder. They should prioritize the health and temperament of their dogs. Ask about the parents' health clearances. Visit the breeder's facility. Observe the living conditions of the dogs. Section 11. Conclusion. A rewarding journey with your Malinois. Raising a Belgian Malinois is a rewarding experience. They bring joy, companionship, and unwavering loyalty to their families. They require time, commitment, and dedication. With proper care, training, and socialization, a Belgian Malinois can be the perfect canine companion. Their intelligence, loyalty, and athleticism make them truly exceptional dogs.